episode 1 of my LS swap. You can see we got the drivetrain completely removed. So the goal for today, we're going to get the firewall and the transmission tunnel insulated. I plan on using this DEI flooring tunnel shield too, but first I want to make templates, which is insulation I got from Home Depot. I already removed pretty much all the factory insulation. I'm going to take this off as well. Go ahead and cut off a piece using these blades. Gonna get a piece to cover from pretty much here to down here, down here. Phone died when I was recording, making a template, but essentially that's our prototype, and hopefully we can transfer that onto our actual heat shield. Got the rough draft of the template mocked up. I'm gonna play with it to get it in there. So it's the next day. Got our cut out the first template. So we're gonna get started on the actual firewall now. I'm gonna see if I can remove most of this. Try to stretch the whole way around. We'll see how that goes. Here's where we're at. I'll try to cut out the holes for the heater hose connections and the AC connection. We got a rough template cut out. I'm going to transfer this over to the heat shield. I went ahead and made some progress off camera. I ended up molding the heat shield some more. I actually added this heat shield here. It's identical to this side. So I drilled 3 holes with an 11/64 drill bit. Now we're gonna make our template for the driver's side. We got that taken care of. Now it's time to clean everything with some degreaser and alcohol, and we'll stick it on. Now that everything's in place, we're gonna seal off the edges with this high temp tape. And I'll have everything back together in 3, 2, 1. That takes care of everything in the engine bay. Now we're gonna move on to the transmission tunnel. I went ahead and laid the 7-foot sheet on there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and trim it up and seal the edges. All right, we've got our transmission tunnel completely insulated and sealed with this DEI Cool Tape. Now we're gonna cut out the hole for our shifter. That pretty much wraps it up for this video. Stay tuned for the next one where we'll be installing our cam and some other goodies.